Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Dinesh, I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about RC-17 after Paddy Ramcharan's film with Sigumrar to be launched in July 2026 report. Ramcharan and director Sigumar had previously worked together in the blockbuster film Ranjasthalam by Gautam as published on 5th May 2026. Ramcharan is currently filming Perry, which is expected to wrap up in a few days ahead of its scheduled release on June 2026. Following its release, the Triple R star is likely to officially begin work on RC-17 with director Shikumar. Ramcharan's RC-17 to be launched in July 2026, according to a report by 123 Telugu. The shoot for RC-17 is expected to begin in July or August 2026. Most of the pre-production work is reportedly nearing completion. Earlier reports suggested that director Sikumar had considered three different ideas before finalizing one strong story. After looking the concept, the Pushpa Helmer is said to be working on the final version of the script. Reportedly, Turin will hear the final draft by mid-May. After taking a short break following Perry and preparing for his next role, the actor is expected to begin shooting for RC-17. However, the makers have not made any official announcement yet. More about Perry. Ramcharan is next set to play the lead in the sports action film Perry, directed by Bachchi Babu Sana. The film is said to revolve around a cricket tournament set against a rural backdrop. Apart from Ramcharan, the ensemble cast includes Chanvi Kapoor, Shiva Rajkumar, Divyandro Sharma, Jekapati Babu, and Bhuman Irani, among others. Written and directed by Bachchi Babu Sana, the film is produced by Venkata Satish Kilaro and Ishan Krishna under the banners of Varidhi Cinemas and Ivy Entertainment. It was entirely scheduled for release on 27 March 2026, later postponed to 30 April and is now set to release on 4 June 2026. Recently, the team announced that the film is in its final stage of production. A song sequence is currently being shot as part of the last schedule with Shruti Hassan expected to make a cameo appearance. Earlier, there were speculations that Marunal Thakur would feature in the dance number, but reports suggest that the decade actors opted out. Previously, the makers unveiled a glimpse of the film on Ramcharan's birthday, showcasing the actor in a buffed up look, appearing as a Pahalwan building a maze. Disclaimer. The content in this article is intended for informational and entertainment purposes only and is based on publicly available sources and third-party statements. The views, events, and details mentioned are not verified by the subjects themselves and may be subject not to change. This article does not intend to infringe on anyone's privacy or misrepresent facts. This content should be treated as editorial commentary rather than verified fact, and readers are advised to independently verify any information before relying on it. Pankvilla assumes no responsibility or liability for any errors, omissions, or inaccuracies in the content. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.